Are you ready to start jamming on a 12-bar blues? We'll show you how. Before we get started, if you want to know more about what a 12-bar blues is, I encourage you to check out our video called What is a 12-bar blues? Let's start with the left hand. Let's think of the left hand as the foundation that needs to be firmly established before you try adding anything with the right hand. The left hand typically plays a pattern that it will use on every measure of the form with little or no variation. Here are a few quick examples for a blues pattern in C. The easiest would be just to play whole notes on the root and the fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Other ones, if you wanted to play quarter notes, you could play 1, 2, 3, 4. You could swing it 1, 2, 3, 4. Other ones might be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's hundreds. There's even some that are 2 measures long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Others might look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Choose one of these patterns, or maybe another one that you've heard of. Be sure to choose one that feels easy enough for you to learn quickly. Then practice the pattern in each chord. Today we're going to do this one, which goes 1, 5, 6, 1, 7, 1, 6, 5. Again. 1, 5, 6, 1, 7, 1, 6, 5. And up to speed sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Then it's very important to practice just the chord changes. You'll need to be able to shift your pattern from one chord to another without stopping, like this. If this is a challenge, don't be afraid to choose a simpler pattern for your left hand. Once you can move your left hand pattern from chord to chord without troubles, you're ready to play through the form. If this is your first time through, I recommend counting the measures out loud so that you don't lose your place, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time. 2, 3, 4. Back to C. Third part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Back to C. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're done. The right hand has a million possibilities. A safe route is to stay on or gravitate towards the main chord tones of each chord. If you're just starting out, an easy thing to do is to play the triads as whole notes. Let's see how this sounds together with the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, F, C, G, F, C. Playing 12-bar blues is super fun for pianists because we get to play the part of the rhythm section in our left hand and we can play melodic lines in our right hand. You also don't have to be a pro to start jamming with your friends because there are hundreds of ways to play it from simple to advanced. Hey, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like so we know that you want to see more topics like this. We've got a whole team of music teachers answering questions and bringing you awesome lessons and tutorials each week. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a video. And if you're looking for a complete piano education, click the link to visit hoffmanacademy.com. See you next time.